Today, we're transforming you from a script kiddie, the person who copy-pastes code from Stack Overflow like it's a grocery list, into a pro hacker. And no, this isn't a hack Instagram in 2 minutes tutorial. We're doing this right. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand the basics. No, seriously. Script kiddies skip this part. They're like chefs who only know how to microwave hot pockets. You need to learn networking, TCP/IP, DNS, operating systems. Linux terminal is your new BFF, and programming, Python, Bash. Start with networking for dummies. It's unironically good. And if you can't explain what a subnet mask is, don't even think about opening Metasploit. Memorizing Linux commands feels like ordering dinner in a fancy restaurant. I'll have the sudo apt-get install curl with a side of grep, please. Step 2. Learn tools. Don't just use them. Yeah, Kali Linux looks cool, but do you know how Wireshark filters work? Or why Nmap isn't a dating app for nerds? Use nmap-sv-o target to fingerprint OS out services. Write your own Python script to automate boring tasks, like a port scanner. GitHub is your portfolio now. Using Metasploit without knowing Ruby is like driving a Lamborghini with your eyes closed. You'll crash and it'll be embarrassing. Step 3. Break things. Legally. Join Hack the Box, try Hack Me, or Over the Wire. These labs let you hack without the FBI knocking. Pro tip: struggling with a CTF challenge? Google is your sensei. Just don't ask ChatGPT to write your exploits one yet. Your first CTF win will feel better than that time you hacked your school's Wi-Fi to remove the YouTube block. We've all been there. Step 4. Think like a defender. Pro hackers understand cybersecurity inside out. Learn about firewalls, SIEM tools, and the MITRE attack framework. Set up a honeypot, a fake vulnerable system to catch attackers. It's like leaving a cupcake in the office fridge and waiting to see who takes it. Step 5. Stay hungry, stay ethical. Get certs like OSCP or CEH, or local meetups. And always hack ethically, unless you want free Wi-Fi in prison. Remember, the difference between a script kiddie and a pro: one cries when their exploit fails, the other debugs. Step 6. Contribute to open source projects. No, not just forking repos. Pro hackers build tools, not just use them. Find a security tool on GitHub like wfuzz or crackmapexec, read the code and fix a bug or add a feature. Learn Git properly. Git rebase will save your life. Practice reading C/Python code. Malware analysis starts here. Contributing to open source is like joining a group project where everyone's smarter than you, until you realize they're all Googling too. Pro tip: the Issues tab is where dreams go to die and get resurrected. Step 7. Reverse engineer everything. Script kiddies run exploits. Pros understand them. Download a CTF binary, crack it with Ghidra, and figure out how it works. Start with simple crackmes. Google easy reverse engineering challenges. Learn assembly basics. x86 or ARM. Yes, it's painful, but so is explaining buffer overflows to your grandma. Reverse engineering feels like solving a puzzle where the pieces are written in hieroglyphs and the instructions are in Klingon. But once you crack it, you'll feel like Neo from the Matrix. Step 8. Build a hacker network. Join InfoSec communities like Reddit's NetSec or Twitter's #Cybersec. Go to conferences, DEFCon, Black Hat, find a mentor. Collaborate on bug bounties, split the cash, share the glory. Networking in cybersecurity is like Tinder, but instead of swipe right, it's slide into DMs with a 0-day exploit. And yes, what's your favorite OS is a valid pickup line here. Step 9. Specialize in a niche. Become the Michael Jordan of something. The pros don't just know hacking, they dominate a specific field. If you Choso pen testing, Master Burp Suite, and OWASP Top 10, if malware analysis, dive into IDA Pro and Cuckoo Sandbox. And if cryptography, learn how RSA works mathematically, not just how to crack it with tools. Choosing a niche is like picking a starter Pokemon. Don't be the guy who still uses Pikachu at level 100. And here's the pro tip before this video ends. For pen testing, practice exploiting Active Directory misconfigurations. Google Bloodhound. For crypto, implement AES encryption from scratch in Python. And surely you'll cry after that.